Hi guys, I'm Nafis Nazim here. I'm a Master Engineer from the DQ Robotics Club. Today I'm here to demonstrate and show you how this battle robot works. As you can see, there are many functions in this battle robot like the weapon systems and etc. and many more things. And here I'm going to show you what button controls the car from here, from the phone when clicked. So as you can see, these are the control buttons. So when we click these things, the robot moves right or left as you need. And then when you move right or left, you can see that the signal light works. The right signal light works when we turn to the right, and the left one works when we turn to the left. So expanding. Outer than that, we have many other more uses from this battle robot, like we can turn on the headlights which are in front, we can turn on or off the headlights, and to control the weapon systems to fire or when we need, we can just click a button from here so the weapon moves. So like as you can see, we can attack other cars like this, and like we can fire too, like it gets damaged. So as you can see, those are the things which are demonstrated, and more than that, there are things like the horn which is used in the battle robot, and the hazard signal, and the speed. Speed differs like from the speed on the battery voltage supply. So as you can see, these are battle robot, and hope you to make a thing like this and enjoy your battle robot by going to battles, and please help us join with DQ Robotics Club. Thank you.